The success of growing forests, without planting trees, is spreading across Africa. Something beautiful is happening. Africa has adopted a simple new way to collect firewood, and at the same time, help trees grow fast, strong, and tall. This method is called Farmer-Managed Natural Regeneration, FMNR. And the results are not small. African communities are changing the dry land. Africa. For many years, the land was tired. Dry soil. Broken farms. Dust storms. Dead trees. Farmers watched their land die slowly. Children walked far to find water. Cattle searched for grass that no longer existed. Many people said, Africa is turning into desert. Nothing can grow here again. It is finished. But Africa did not give up. Instead of planting millions of expensive trees, Africa chose something smarter. Something simpler. Something natural. It is called Farmer-Managed Natural Regeneration. FMNR. And today, this technique is changing the continent. FMNR is not magic. It is not foreign technology. It is simple farmer wisdom. Under the dry soil, old tree roots are still alive. Even when trees are cut, the roots remain sleeping underground. FMNR wakes them up. Farmers do not plant new trees. Instead, they protect young shoots growing from old roots, remove weak branches, prune excess stems, leave only the strongest shoots, stop animals from destroying young trees, control fire. Allow natural regrowth, this is the secret. Not planting, but protecting what already exists. When farmers cut weak branches, the tree becomes stronger. When they remove extra shoots, nutrients go to the best stem. The tree grows taller, stronger, faster, and costs almost nothing. No nursery, no trucks, no expensive programs. Only knowledge and care. Slowly, quietly, everything began to change. First, shade returned. Then, soil became soft again. Then, insects returned. Then, birds returned. Then, rain clouds stayed longer. Now communities say, we get rain twice a year. Our wells are full again. Groundwater is rising. The air is cool. The dust is gone. Land became green again. Cattle found grass. Women found firewood close to home. Children stopped walking long distances. Farmers still use trees for firewood, but now they cut carefully. They harvest without killing. This balance changed lives. Niger became the symbol of FMNR success. Once, Niger was one of the driest places on earth. Today, over 5 million hectares of land have turned green again. More than 200 million trees regenerated naturally. No big planting programs. No foreign forests. Just farmers managing nature. Villages that were once dust bowls, now have shade, crops, animals, and food. This is not theory. It is happening. Right now. In Burkina Faso, FMNR is part of the Great Green Wall. The goal is simple: stop the desert. Bring life back. Farmers use pruning techniques. They protect tree stumps. They manage regrowth. Now degraded lands are becoming productive again. Millet grows better. Sorghum survives drought. Soil holds water longer. People are not only farming food. They are farming hope. In Mali, FMNR is helping farmers survive climate pressure. Sahel heat is strong. Rain is unpredictable. But trees protect farms. Their roots hold soil. Their shade reduces heat stress. Their leaves improve soil fertility. Crop yields increased. Food security improved. Families now depend less on food aid. They depend on their land again. In Senegal, FMNR is not only on farms. It is helping restore wetlands and mangroves. Mangroves protect coastlines. They protect fish. They protect communities from floods. By managing natural regrowth, coastal villages are rebuilding ecosystems. Nature is protecting people again. In Ghana, women farmers became leaders of FMNR. They learned pruning techniques. They taught others. They protected tree shoots. They revived degraded lands. Now women harvest fruits, firewood, and crops from the same land. Income improved. Food improved. Independence improved. This is not just environmental success. This is social transformation. FMNR succeeds because it is cheap. It is fast. It is local. It respects farmers. It uses nature's power. Trees grow faster from old root systems. They survive drought better. They restore soil naturally. And most important, farmers own the process. Not NGOs. Not governments. Not donors. The people control the forest. Today, organizations like World Vision promote FMNR in 24 African countries. From Niger to Kenya. From Ghana to Ethiopia. From Senegal to Somalia. Millions of farmers now use this method. Because Africa faces serious problems: land degradation, desertification, climate change, food insecurity. FMNR offers a solution that works with nature, not against it. Listen carefully. Africa is not poor in land. Africa is not poor in resources. Africa is not poor in solutions. Africa was only disconnected from its own wisdom. Now farmers are remembering. They are not waiting for help. They are not begging for trees. They are rebuilding with their hands. This is silent revolution. No headlines. No drama. No noise. Just green land rising again. So next time someone tells you, Africa is dying. Africa cannot grow. Africa is hopeless. Tell them this: Africa is growing forests, without planting trees. Africa is healing land, without billions of dollars. Africa is showing the world that nature, when respected, always comes back. This is not the end. This is the beginning.